Problem number 4. 50 Cr is equal to 50 Cr plus 2. 50 Cr is equal to 50 Cr plus 2. See, both the combination values are equal and the population, total population is also equal. Again I am repeating, please concentrate. Both the combination values are equal, and what they are telling, the total population is also equal, because 50 50, the total population is also equal, the combination values are also equal, means the first value is selection and the second value is rejection, or vice versa. One of the value is selection and one of the value is rejection. So means what? If you add the selected items and the rejected items, you are going to get the total population. Already in the introductory class itself, we have analyzed why we are going to get the total population. Okay, so if you add the selected items and the rejected items, you are going to get the total population. So 2R is equal to 48, therefore R is equal to 48 by 2, 24. So option A is the right answer. R plus 2 is equal to 50, 2R is equal to 50 minus 2, that is 48, therefore R is equal to 24. Option A is the right answer. Okay, very simple. 50 Cr is equal to 50 Cr plus 2. They have given the selected items and the rejected items. So select number of items what you are selecting and what you are rejecting. If you add, you are going to get the total population, that is equal to 50. Based on that, we have calculated the value of R. Okay, that is 24. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. If NC5 is equal to NC3, find N. See here, NC5 is equal to NC3, then find the value of N. See, both the values are equal and the total population is also equal. Means what? The number of items what you have selected, okay, the number of ways of selection is equal to number of ways of rejection. So selected items plus rejected items is equal to total population. Therefore 5 plus 3 is equal to N, 8 is equal to N, therefore the value of N is 8. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 6. Problem number 6. Determine the number of permutations of the letters of the word simpleton taken all at a time. Simpleton taken all at a time. See, these type of problems you can expect in your clerical exam. Okay, if you refer the previous year papers, you can see these type of problems which was appeared. Okay, so very important problem, max to max 25 to 30 seconds, not more than that, to simplify. Okay, you take the word simpleton, SIMPLETON. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally you have 9 letters. Out of those 9 letters, you are arranging all the 9 letters. Okay, you are arranging all the 9 letters. So 9P9, which means 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 9 factorial. So which is equal to 9 factorial, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial means 1. So see here, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. So 6 factorial 720. 9 8s are 72. 72 into 7 into 720. So now how you simplify? 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50. 504 into 720. Again see here, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Next 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So altogether how much you are going to get? 8, 8, 2, 6, 3. In the end you have to write 0. This 0 you have to write. So how much you got? 3,62,880. So option B is the right answer. 3,62,880. But this is the traditional method where you have to invest lot of time and few type of problems are going to come. If you are going to solve through this traditional method, then obviously it takes too much time and it will be very difficult for you people to imagine what is the type of the problem, in what pattern we have to arrange. Okay, so it will be very difficult. Okay, so let us go for a different methodology. Simpleton, 9 letters are there, means 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spaces are there. You can consider any of the letter in the simpleton. You may select I, you may select N, you may select T, you may select P, you may select S. Okay, you can select any of the letter. Okay, so I am selecting S. For easy simplification, okay, I took the first letter S. So for S, how many spaces are there to fill? How many chances are there to fill the empty spaces? So S can come in the first position, or in the second, or in the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. It can take any of the positions from the 9 positions. Okay, means what? It is having 9 chances to fill. Okay, so I am giving first position to S. You may give any position, it's your wish, you may give any position. For easy simplification purpose, I am giving first position, but it is having 9 chances or 9 spaces. So 9 spaces it is having. Next, into S, it's over, the matter is over. Next, you take one more letter, the letter may be E or P or T or I, whichever letter you want other than S you can take, because already S you have considered. Okay, you take any of the letter. Okay, for easy simplification I am taking I. Okay, for easy simplification I am taking I. So how many spaces are there? Yes, already taken one place, so remaining places are 8. So I is having 8 chances or 8 spaces to be filled. So 8 spaces. Okay, I am giving second space, so it is having 8 spaces. Next, among 9, 2 is finished. Okay, you have only 7 items. Okay, next, you may select any of the one. I am selecting M. How many spaces? 7 spaces. So I am giving here 7. Like that, if you go next 6, next 5, next 4, 3, 2, 1, which is nothing but 9 factorial, the same above value you are going to get. See here, this saves lot of time. Only to explain it took time, but if you implement this one, definitely you can save lot of time. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 7. Problem number 7. How many permutations? Permutations are nothing but arrangement. So how many arrangements can be made out of the letters of the word triangle, which begin with T and end with E? So triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 letters, and the condition they have given, which begin with T and end with E. So it has to begin with T and end with E. So the first space is filled by T. You don't have any other option because they are already given. The first space has to be filled with T and the last space has to be filled with E. So only in the middle you have to arrange. So T already came, E already came. So how many letters are there in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 letters are there in the middle. So how many ways? 6 factorial ways. See, R can fill 6 spaces, so 6. Next, I can fill 5 spaces, A can fill 4, N can fill 3, G can fill 2, L can fill 1. So 6 factorial ways. So 6 factorial ways means 720. Okay, 5 factorial 120, 6 factorial 120 into 6, 720. Therefore, option A is the right answer, 720 ways. Okay, very simple. Let's move on to the next problem, problem number 8. Next, in how many ways the letters of the word armor can be arranged? See here, A, R, M, O, U, R. Armor can be arranged. So how many letters are there? 6 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 spaces. Now A can take any 6 spaces. So 6. Next R5, M4, O3, U2, R1. Now if you write like this and if you stop here, then you are going to get the wrong answer. Then you are going to get the wrong answer. Okay, see here why you are going to get the wrong answer. Let me explain. Because in the previous problem you used to get the right one. In that previous problem, okay, in the last two problems you got the right answer, but here you are getting wrong. Why? Let me explain. See here, AR MOUR, next AR MOUR. Can you notice any difference between these two? Okay, can you notice any difference between these two? Actually speaking, there is no difference, but this R I have placed in the second one, and the last R I have placed second, but there is no difference. Means what? You are getting duplication. Even though you have changed the position of R's, you are getting duplication. So how many times R is repeated? So R is repeated twice. So 2 factorial ways it is going to be repeated. Okay, 2 factorial ways it is going to be repeated. So that repetition has to be avoided. Because of that reason, we have to divide it by 2 factorial. So 720 by 2 factorial, that is 2, which is equal to 360, that is option E. None of these. Okay, 360. You have to be very, very careful. First thing what you have to see is whether the letters are repeated or not. See here, if it is like this, AR MOUR A, then A is repeated twice, and R is repeated twice. Then what you have to do? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 2, 4 factorial. That you should not do. A is repeated twice, so 2 factorial into R is repeated twice, so 2 factorial. So how many letters are repeated? 2 letters are repeated. So how many times? 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. If R is repeated thrice, then it is going to become 3 factorial. Very simple. A twice, so divided by 2 factorial. R thrice, so divided by 3 factorial. Okay, so this is the actual procedure. So one thing what you have to notice always is whether the letters are repeated or not. If it is repeated, you have to go with this procedure. If it is not repeated, then the normal procedure, you should not divide. Why you have to divide? To avoid the repetition or the duplication. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 9. In how many ways the letters of the word stress can be arranged? See here, S, T, R, E, S, S. So how many letters are there? 6 letters are there. Therefore, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by S is repeated thrice. And no other letters are repeated. So S is repeated thrice, so you divide it by 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 into 2 into 1 get cancels, 6 5s are 30, 3 4s are 12, 120. 3 4s are 12, 120. Option D is the right answer. If you do only 6 factorial and if you mark 720, you are going to get the wrong answer because S is repeating thrice. So 3 factorial times you are going to get the duplication. So because of that reason, you have to divide it by 3 factorial. So after dividing, you are going to get 120. So answer D, okay, is the right answer. See, this problem was appeared in your exam, clerical exam. So very important, and see how much time you want to solve this problem. Max to max 10 seconds, not more than that. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 get cancels, 6 into 5 into 4. 34 is a 120. Orally you can solve, and you take max to max 10 seconds to solve orally. Okay, so 120 is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 10.